On my peaceful drive to the property this morning, I'm thinking of how I'm gonna open the vlog, and all of that goes out the window when I show up. And I am in utter shock that the row of 5 windows up on top are in. Welcome to episode 19 where we put our windows in. We get our windows installed today.
Look, right there. Yeah, there you go. Up, up. No. Ah, you're so close.
I cannot tell you how this makes me feel. You work, and you know, me too, but especially Joel, but you work every day. I hear Joel come home every day and he's just like pounding the pavement, and you think you're not making any progress, and then all of a sudden you see the progress, and all the little things that you do through the day really pay off. I definitely feel like this is a payoff moment. This is one of those payoff moments. Big day, big day. We're gonna come here to the side. I'm in love. I had a really hard time deciding.
Climb up there and get a shot of you up there on the outside, next to the windows.
No, I'm scared to death standing here. My stomach is in an actual knot.
That's insane.
No, I do not want to climb on the roof and have you take my picture next to the window. Absolutely no. Now we're in a fight because you asked me such a silly question. What was I saying? Oh! I had a really hard time deciding between all black windows, inside and outside, all white windows, inside and outside. If I wanted a grid on which windows, it was a very hard decision. However, I came to, I would say, the perfect conclusion. I'm currently standing in my office and all the windows are in here. Well, some of them, a portion of them are in here, but it gives a really good visual of what I decided. So on the inside of the house, this is the inside of the window and it is all white. And then this is the outside of the window and you can see it's all black. Not all window companies can do the double-sided color, which is one of the big reasons that I went with Amsco windows. So you can see the outside of these windows that have been installed are black. I have to be strategic on the inside or else it's so backlit you can't see, but on the inside, they are white. I wanted white on the inside of the house because it went with the like light and airy, and I feel like, I don't know, I'd hope that black isn't trendy. I mean, I don't know. I really don't care if something is super trendy or not. It's whether or not you love it. And I feel like white on the inside is very classic. It is never gonna go out of style, maybe. I don't really know. It's what I wanted. It's what my personal preference was for the inside, was to have it be light and white.
Seeing the black ones up there, I like the black more myself.
Really? Okay, so Joel really likes black windows. I love black windows. I just didn't think that it fit the style of the house on the inside. However, it is more trendy to have black windows on the outside, and so I don't mind a little bit of trend, you know what I mean? Don't ever underestimate the power of vitamin D and sunlight, am I right?
Oh my god.
We've had our windows closed off and just working in, not the dark, but without any sunlight coming through, it feels so nice to be able to look out the windows and see the drive and see who's coming down and see who's here.
Well, now I remember why we like this house. Because for a while there I was like,
exactly.
to heck with this, I am done.
That is exactly, I know. Walking into our bedroom, Joel and I came over and stood and looked out the brand newly installed window, and I just was like, this is our window. This is what we're going to be looking out. And it just brought a genuine smile to my face, and it feels more like home. They're prepping this window. Here's the laundry room window. What you're seeing is the black outside. I mean, we're gonna be looking through this laundry room window for quite some time.
Sound credit.
I was actually really feeling funny saying things while you were standing behind me, but you know, support where you can find it. Oh, she's in. Oh, they did so good. These guys have been fabulous, Joel.
Oh, yeah.
I'm pleasantly surprised. Not surprised, I'm pleased.
Pleasantly pleased.
I'm pleasantly pleased. Now this, okay, now that is the kitchen window for me. Oh, this is gonna be I'm tickled. I'm tickled. Just like that, the kitchen window, it's in. One of the things that I was really questioning was grids. You can see there's a grid in these windows, and I love the look of the grids. However, I was really not interested in obstructing my view with grids everywhere. And so I thought, what can I do to incorporate grids and also keep the view? So here's what we decided to do. Any window that was on the front facing part of the house will have the grids. And then all the other windows on each side of the house and along the back of the house, there are no grids. And I feel like that helps me keep the view unobstructed, but also has the style and the, details that I was looking for with the grids on the front of the house. And you can see here, there's black on the inside of only this front entryway because the front door is also going to be black. So I thought it would look good if there was kind of this black moment in the front along with our black iron staircase that will be here. It will all flow nicely together. Day 2 of doing windows, and I just pulled up to the house. You're going to have to look past all of the chaos in front of the house, okay? Let's think towards the vision here. Yes, it is snowing and tomorrow is April 1st, I think. But all of the front of the windows are in the house. You can't see the kitchen window because of the yellow truck. So sad. But the garage window is in. Oh, and there are no windows here where the front door is going to go. That whole section will be taken care of by the door company. Wowie. So let me tell you the drama about this big window. I'm sure Ansco hates me by now, but I was complaining about this huge window. I said, I do not want to put a seam down the center. I just do not want to do that. Joel, more so than me. And I just said, I want one big window. And because of why, Joel? Stability, structure, I don't really know. Anyway, we had to put a seam down the center, and he was like, Bonnie, I promise you're not going to notice it. It's going to be great. Guess what? You don't notice it, and it is fantastic. It is great. Do I wish that we could have done one huge window? Yes. Do I think that it takes away from anything? I don't think so. Might be silly, but this is one of my favorite windows. I don't even understand what it is that I love about it. But this is in the filming room. I think it's because it has the cutest little ceiling right here. It's right dead in the center. I just think it's a really cute window.
It's a fun space.
Yeah, it is a really fun space. I look forward to filming in here. The bathroom window. So the bathtub will sit right here, and that's the window outside the tub. And then if you're sitting in the tub, there's your window right there. And this one is we're doing a custom built one.
The frame's here. They're gonna put the frame in today.
Oh, good. Oh, that's great.
So.
But the glass, it's a lattice lead. So I'll show that when it comes. Oh, I can't believe how close you walk to the edge. Look where his feet are. Joel, please don't walk so close to the edge. Ooh, Joel.
Oh, looky there.
Oh, okay. Well, let's, oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. You gotta pause for me. Look at that. Would you look at it? Just look at it. Joel, that is so neat. They're done.
Look at all those windows.
I think they're done. So you can see on the back side of the house. Oh, will you curl the engine, please? So you can see on the back side of the house, there are no grids. And I honestly love that. And on the side of the house, there are no grids. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. Let's just take a second and look at it. We are waiting for 3 doors. We're waiting for 3 doors back here. And same thing for the front of the house. We are just missing the front door. Now that all the loud noise has been cut, all the installers have left, I'll tell you, when we did the remodel, we did baseline windows. And then when I was deciding what windows to put in this home, I was just going to go one step above, and I think they've got another 3rd level. So they've got the 3 tiers, and I knew that the 2nd tier would be just fine for us. Once we got out here and we're working in the conditions, we realized the winds were extra strong. We realized how much snow we get up here. And I didn't realize when you're standing next to these windows, that's when you really grasp how tall they are. And so we did opt to go for their top tier Hampton windows. They have a thicker edge on them, and I thought that that looked really good from the outside of the window. Plus, we just really didn't want to deal with any sort of heat transfer, so we did upgrade our windows there. I'm gonna close the vlog standing in front of our cute little mudroom window. There's gonna be a little bench right here. So pretend I'm sitting on like a really cute little bench with some pillows, you know, some wall sconces right here. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. My mouth is freezing up again, so I can't really talk. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye, guys.